Lord Sri Ram.
Yes, I know about Ayodhya. It is a very important and sacred place,
Yeah.
known as the birthplace of Lord Sri Ram. It has great historical and spiritual significance in India. Have you visited Ayodhya, or do you want to go there?
Yes, I visited Ayodhya.
That's wonderful. How was your experience in Ayodhya? What did you like the most about your visit?
I visited in Ayodhya, Hanumangarhi and Sri Ram Janambhoomi and Dasrath Mahal.
That sounds like an amazing trip.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you people all will be fine. So friends, today in this video I'm going to talk to with AI. Okay, so let's see friends, how can we learn English talking by AI. Okay, so friends, now I'm starting talking to AI. So hello dear, how are you?
Hello, my friend. I'm great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Yes, I'm great, and actually I want to talk to you about English, that how to learn English and how to start English journey.
That's awesome. Learning English is a great journey. The best way to start is by surrounding yourself with English every day. Listen to English music, watch movies with subtitles, and try to think in English. Speaking is key. Even if you're shy, talk to yourself. So building vocabulary is important. Learn a few new words daily and use them in sentences.
Okay, I have another question, that how to speak English with confidently and without any hesitation and without any shyness. Can you talk to me about this?
Absolutely. Speaking English with confidence takes practice, but it's totally possible. First, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become. One great trick is to think in English instead of translating from your native language. This helps you respond faster and avoid pauses. Also, practice speaking every day, even if it's just to yourself. Describe what you're doing, talk about your day, or repeat sentences from movies. Another tip is to learn useful phrases instead of just words. For example, instead of learning good, learn that sounds good. Or that's a great idea. This makes conversations smoother.
Okay, so I want to say something, that's am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I have another question, that how to practice speaking English daily.
To practice speaking English daily, try these simple methods. 1. Talk to yourself. Describe your day, your plans, or what you see around you. This builds confidence. 2. Shadowing. Listen to English speakers, movies, podcasts, or YouTube, and repeat what they say immediately. It improves pronunciation and fluency. 3. Find a speaking partner. Talk with a friend, join an English-speaking group, or practice with AI. 4. Think in English. Instead of translating, try forming thoughts directly in English. This makes speaking faster. 5. Record yourself. Speak about a topic, record it, and listen to identify areas to improve.
As you told, think in English. So how to think in English? Can you describe?
Yes. Thinking in English is a powerful way to improve fluency. Here's how you can train your brain to do it. 1. Start small. Begin with simple words and phrases. For example, when you see a car, think that's a red car. When you feel hungry, think I need to eat something. 2. Describe your day in English. As you go through your day, narrate it in your mind. I'm waking up now. I need to brush my teeth. This helps you form sentences naturally. 3. Use English for simple decisions.
I want to say something, that how to overcome your shyness to speak English.
Do you mean shyness instead of sinus? If you're asking how to overcome shyness when speaking English, I can definitely help. One way is to practice speaking out loud every day, even if you're alone. Try talking to yourself about your day or describing what you see around you. Also, don't worry about making mistakes. Confidence grows when you focus on expressing yourself rather than being perfect.
Can you tell me how to speak with anyone?
Speaking to someone in English, start with a simple greeting like, "Hi, how are you?" Then ask a basic question to keep the conversation going, such as, "How was your day?" Or, "What do you like to do?" Make eye contact, smile, and speak slowly.
How to make good relationship?
That makes sense. A good relationship starts with trust, respect, and good communication. Always be honest and kind, and show that you care by listening and supporting the other person.
I feel very happy to talk to you.
That makes me so happy to hear. I enjoy talking to you too.
Yes,
You're doing
I'm
great,
also.
and I love helping you with your English and
Yes.
anything else on your mind. What else
Okay.
would you like to talk about?
Okay, you tell me, how can I improve my English vocabulary?
You can improve your English vocabulary in a few simple ways. First, read every day, books, articles, or even short stories. This helps you see new words in context. Second, listen to English songs, podcasts, or movies and try to note down new words. Third, practice using new words in your daily life by making sentences. Also, use flashcards or apps to remember words easily.
Actually, I want to ask you that can we learn English without learn to grammar and without tenses?
Yes, you can learn English without deeply studying grammar and tenses, just like how children learn a language naturally. The best way is through listening, speaking, and practicing daily. Focus on real conversations, watching movies, listening to songs, and reading simple texts. Over time, you will start to understand grammar naturally. However, learning some basic grammar can help you speak more correctly and confidently. English songs, podcasts, or movies and try to note down new words. Third, practice using new words in your daily life by making sentences. Also, use flashcards or apps to remember words easily.
Actually, I want to ask you that can we learn English without learn to grammar and without tenses?
Yes, you can learn English without deeply studying grammar and tenses, just like how children learn a language naturally. The best way is through listening, speaking, and practicing daily. Focus on real conversations, watching movies, listening to songs, and reading simple texts. Over time, you will start to understand grammar naturally. However, learning some basic grammar can help you speak more correctly and confidently.
How to communicate with any people without any hesitation and with confidently?
Communicate with confidence and without hesitation. Try these steps. Talk to yourself about your day or describe what you see. This helps build fluency. Second, don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes them. But the key is to keep talking. Most people will understand and appreciate your effort. Third, focus on body language. Stand straight, make eye contact, and smile. This makes you look and feel more confident. Fourth, slow down and breathe. Speaking too fast can make you nervous. Take your time and speak clearly. Finally, practice small conversations with friends, family, or even strangers. Start with simple greetings and questions like, how are you? Or what do you do? And your confidence will grow.
As you told now, make body
Go ahead,
language.
I'm listening. What do you want to
So
say?
how to make body language?
Body language is very important for confident communication. Here are some key tips. 1. Stand tall. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. This makes you look confident. 2. Make eye contact. Look at the person you're talking to, but don't stare too much. 3. Use hand gestures. Move your hands naturally when speaking to express yourself better. 4. Smile. A friendly smile makes conversations easier and more comfortable. 5. Avoid fidgeting. Don't play with your hands or look down too much, as it can show nervousness. Try practicing in front of a mirror or recording yourself.
Can I talk to you regularly?
Yes, you can talk to me anytime you want. I'm always here to chat and help you improve your English.
Okay,
Would
thank
you like
you.
to practice speaking with me every day?
Yes, I want.
That's great. We can practice every day. Just start a conversation anytime, and I'll be here to help.
Okay.
What about you? Where are you from?
I am from India. Do you know?
Yes. India is a beautiful and diverse country with many languages and cultures.
Yes.
Which part of India are you from? That's great.
Eastern part,
India has
Eastern.
so many amazing places. What's special about your city or state?
There are many special places in India.
Yes, India has so many amazing places. The Taj Mahal, Jaipur's palaces, Kerala's backwaters, and the Himalayas are just a few.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
have a favorite place in India?
Sorry?
Nice. Which place do you like the most and why?
Mostly I like Ayodhya. Do you know? Which is birthplace of Sri Ram? Lord Sri Ram.
Yes, I know about Ayodhya. It is a very important and sacred place.
Yeah.
known as the birthplace of Lord Sri Ram. It has great historical and spiritual significance in India. Have you visited Ayodhya, or do you want to go there?
Yes, yes, I visited Ayodhya.
That's wonderful. How was your experience in Ayodhya? What did you like the most about your visit?
I visited in Ayodhya, Hanumangarhi and Sri Ram Janambhoomi and Dasrath Mahal.
That sounds like an amazing trip. Hanuman Garhi, Sri Ram Janmabhoomi, and Dashrath Mahal places. How
Yes.
did you feel when you visited these places? Was there anything special that you enjoyed the most?
Yeah. I have very much enjoyed that time. So friends, you have watched my video, then what are you thinking about that? So friends, in a such way you can learn English and you can improve your English. Okay, so was talking with AI application, which is you can download and practice with this. So friends, you have to do like, share and subscribe this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.